meet again, Dimas, in Not Afraid Classroom. And today I would like to talk with you about things that I think it's kind of my considerations, and also for some of you that thinking like, if you want to actually buying a shotgun microphone or lavalier when you are actually doing the shot indoor. And this is actually also inspired by a couple of YouTube that I check, and I saw that, if you want to really go to the next game, you have to really improve your microphone buying the shotgun, which like there is like Rode NTG, and there is also Sennheiser MK series and blah blah blah. The thing is, like, for some of you who just start your channel, it might be quite expensive to afford it. So, why you have to go to that way, and why not using what you have right now? For example, like right now I have lavalier here, and then also I have Deity microphone mini, and I want to compare these two. First, I also have Deity. I also have, what's the name of it? Rode Wireless Go 2, which I'm using it as the helper when it comes to transmitting, so I don't have to use a lot of cable and so on. So I want to compare, like, first lavalier going to this Deity transmitter, which is in here. Hope you could see. And then the other thing is also I have one that also a shotgun from DTS Mac Mini that I'm using it for this purpose, and I want to see how the sound look like. And you can tell me like how the difference, whether there are like some actually two things is different or not. So yeah, so this is might be like a purpose for video for some of you who just want to start the YouTube channel and want to compare between these two and see what actually you can go with. And also with this lavalier, especially like if you don't have to have a Rode Wireless Go, you basically can just plug this lavalier. This is Boya lavalier things, and then you can just directly use it directly to your phone or to your mirrorless camera, so you could also directly use it and it become useful for you. Okay, so that's the video for now, and see, I will go to the next for the two comparisons. And I'm sorry for some of the language when I test it, I'm using Bahasa Indonesia because that's like usually I'm also using this language on this channel. So let's see how the difference, and what do you think? Cool, thank you. Oke, dan berikutnya kita akan menggunakan suara langsung dari lavalier Boya yang diteruskan melalui Wireless Go 2. Dan kita lihat suaranya gimana. Kita cek bagus apa enggak suaranya. Yuk lihat, cek bareng-bareng. Oke. Yes. Oke, kita akan coba hari ini pakai suara Oke, 1, 2, 3. Suaranya jelas apa enggak? Aku mau cek gimana keadaan suaranya. Harusnya sih nggak ada masalah. Oke, jumpa lagi dengan gua Dimas, dan kita lihat gimana hasilnya bentar lagi. Oke. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Cek 1, 2, 3. Cek 1, 2, 3. Cek 1, 2, 3. Cek suaranya. Cek 1, 2, 3. Hello. Check 1, 2, 3. Maybe closer again. Check 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Check. Check 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 2, 3.